Hi, this is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, always at your international service. And today I am unboxing and testing a gamer chair called Vojens from Jysk. I bought it here in Denmark in a store called Jysk for the equivalent of $100, and that included a 50% discount. Now let's unbox. What could be in my box that says, do not open with a knife, so I'm using a scissor instead. That's my kind of logic, you know. Chair, Vojens. That's a town in Denmark, by the way. It looks very good. With a Danish town name and possibly fabricated in China, I would suspect, though. This should be made in. There's no reason why this should not be made in the EU or Slovakia or somewhere. That is possibly also in the EU. Who knows? And there are the wheels, 5 of them. Okay, that's the last missing link. The gas patron. What do you call this in English? But it looks fine. Whoa. Next thing I'll show to you is when it's all connected. Bye. And now, we're all done. My estimate took like about 45 minutes to complete this. Especially these screws on the sides are not completely in yet. They were almost impossible to
I like to sit on.
Nail into the coffin.
This chair.
Bastardy. And a interesting design feature, I think they made these two, like the mother can say, "Child, now you've played enough. Would you stop this and come out in the kitchen, you bastard son?" So there you have it. Me and Kat is going to be judging this gamer chair on 3 criteria. 1. Craftsmanship and execution. 2. Design innovation. 3. Usability. Craftsmanship and execution. It looks and feels solid, not super high-end nor super cheap, and all the seams looked fine during the unboxing. 2. Design innovation.
I like the armrests goes up and down. It makes it easy to slide under the table. And also it has a rocking back.
3. Usability. The bulge in the lower back makes for a very solid, good and firm seating position for endless hours of jerking. So, all in all,
I like to sit on this chair.
Køb den i Jysk.
Buy it in Jysk.
Køb den i Jysk.